Perintah Kawalan Pergerakan mulai 18 Mac 2020 iaitu lusa hingga 31 Mac 2020 di seluruh negara.
Malaysia was hit by the COVID-19 pandemic severely, like everywhere else. The coronavirus affected more than just businesses, it also affected our lives. For us, the pandemic brought an opportunity. The increase in demand in the semicon industry provided the opportunity to continue our business, to keep our employees, and also to improve and expand. We are fortunate that we are still able to carry on till today. We went through ups and downs, all while successfully overcoming the obstacles and eventually leading us to where we are today post-pandemic. We aim to be self-sustainable. If another pandemic were to hit, we will be ready for it and provide even more opportunities. In order to achieve that, we must be able to constantly improve ourselves towards a modern machine shop. The improvement we are able to make is endless, with unlimited potential to improve and succeed. For the first time since MCO, we can now visit our friends and family and welcome the new year with open arms and joy. May 2022 bring you prosperity, opportunities, wealth, and health. Here's to a wonderful 2022 filled with fun, laughter, and good times. Happy Chinese New Year from us at Rtech.